Welcome traders. I just finished entering the trades and putting my stops. I actually wanted to make this a live video, but then I couldn't. I hope I'll do it next time. I just want to show you two most important things when looking at a chart. How to really know which direction price is going to take on a given chart. Okay, so I hope you're going to like this video. I'll explain while I wait for this trade to make a move. Okay, the first one is very simple, traders. The first one is the one that I usually talk about, knowing the time when this pair will move. Okay, so for this one, I'm taking trades during the New York session. Let me show you why by removing the other sessions. Okay, let's remain with New York. So this pair is very much likely to make these big moves during the New York session. Okay, it didn't happen on this day, but you can see on this day that there was this big move, big move, big move, big move. Okay, so EuroCAD will make these moves during the New York session. So that's the first piece of information that you need to know. Okay, and if you want to know for the rest of the currency pairs, you should get this PDF. Okay, so it shows the session in which each and every currency pair is going to make a move. Of course, you are going to also find strategies for each and every currency pair on this PDF. So just contact me using the contact details found in the video description. On another note, remember that if you open a trading account on FX View, fund it, even if it's the minimum deposit, you get that PDF for free. For those who are new, this is an ECN broker. Make sure to use the link in the video description to get the right link for this broker. Okay, I don't want you to fall in the hands of scammers. This broker is multi-regulated, it's award-winning. The trading platforms are the general ones, MT4, 5, and Act Trader. These are the deposit methods, including Perfect Money. Okay, remember that I showed you the first important thing when it comes to trading, knowing the time when that pair is going to make a move. The second one, traders, remember that I usually say whenever you look at a chart, okay, let me close the sessions indicator. Whenever you look at a chart, try to identify a channel. Okay, once you've identified that channel, okay, you identify it with trend lines. Once you have identified that channel, it's very easy to place trades, because if price is here, for example, you know that you have to buy. Okay, if price is up there, you know that you have to sell. If this is a bigger time frame like the daily or 4-hour, you know that this move is quite a long move on the smaller time frames. So you know that if price is there, you have to sell. It's very easy trading within a channel. And then the other thing that you need to know is breakouts. Okay, you know that if you see this, you get ready to sell. But then when do you sell? Remember that a breakout is only valid if price closes below this key level. Okay, if price closes below that key level, you sell. Okay, and that takes me to today's information. What I actually want to say is that whenever you look at a chart, always observe the turning points. They are very, very, very important. They are the second most important thing, if not the first. They are very, very important. You make a move based on them, always. Okay, for example, let's just look at what happened on this chart. Okay, I hope you know the first step that you have to do. You start on the daily and look for a time frame that is going to show you a channel. Okay, so right here it's not clear, so you take it to the 4-hour. Okay, when you get to the 4-hour, right now you can almost tell that there was this channel, and then there was a breakout. But then for you to know that it is a valid breakout, okay, someone else can use this key level. You wait for price to clearly close below that key level. Okay, but then there was that candle there. See that opposite candle? It can reflect what they call an order block. Okay, I hope I'm not confusing you. In other words, someone else could use that to confirm that this was a breakout. Okay, but the most valid one, I can say it is this one. Okay, but if you are used to trading, that's also a key level. So now after that breakout, you know that whatever you do here, you are looking to sell. And once you place your sell trade, this is your take profit. Of course, if you placed your sell trade around there, this should be your first take profit, your second take profit, your third take profit should be there. And then let's take it a step further. Let's say from the 4-hour, you know that you are supposed to sell. Now you take it to the smaller time frames. Okay, let's move to the hourly. The hourly is not giving us a bigger picture. Let's take it to the 15-minute time frame. So right here we have something. Okay, now we have something. You see that? Okay, even though it's not clear, traders, remember that you don't have to be so perfect. Okay, that was a channel. But then on another note, let me also show you this other method. Okay, you look at these turning points. Okay, there was a turning point there, there was a turning point there, there was a turning point there. Okay, so those are 3 touches, and know that whenever you have 3 touches, you have a trend line. Okay, so you can also draw a trend line like that because of those 3 touches. And then you also had this touch, and that touch. So you try to find the average within those touches. And then once you have done this on the 15-minute time frame, you know that there was a breakout to the lower side. Okay, price closed below there, but a valid breakout could be confirmed after price closed below that key level. Okay, you see that turning point? When price closed below that, you confirm it as a breakout. So you would look to sell, or you start selling from there. Okay, and then another thing, let me take it to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, I want to show you something. See that remember we said there was a breakout somewhere there, so now you are looking to sell. Can you notice that this was a downward channel? Just want to open your eyes on something. Okay, see that this was a downward channel, and then see that this looks like a breakout. I know that someone could just start buying from this place because this looks like a breakout. The question comes again, how do you know this is a breakout? It should be a breakout once price closes above that key level. Okay, so you mark like that. Okay, if price was to close above this, I would confirm it as a breakout, and then I would start buying. but then price failed to close above this. I know that there's also this key level. You see this, that key level. That key level cannot be really trusted because first of all, if we take averages on this trend line, it didn't touch on that trend line. So if you do this, you won't get a clearer picture. You won't get a clearer picture. So it's best to use this upper one. Okay, that one is safer because it's touching the trend line there. So this is the best. You wait for price to close above this, and then you can confirm it as a bullish move. And once price makes that bullish move, or once you place the buy trades, you know that that's your first TP, and then that's your second take profit. So for now, until price closes above this, you know that you are still looking to sell. Let's take it to the 1 minute time frame. I want to show you something else. Okay, notice that on this breakout you have this upward channel. Okay, now you have this upward channel. So how do you know that this is a valid breakout? Okay, you can tell that by observing that price has closed below this key level. Okay, remember that you always look at that key level. So this is a valid breakout. You are still holding and looking to sell, and you can only buy if price closes above that key level. See that turning point over there? So that's how you look at price. Price respects these turning points, it might break out and move to the upward direction, but right here it is going to react to this key level. And on another note, we can even take it a step further. Okay, we can take it a step further by observing this channel. Okay, observing that channel, see that price is rejecting on that key level. That's how you know the move of the market, traders. It's not a mystery, it's all about practice. So on this downward channel, for you to confirm this breakout, price has to close above that turning point. Okay, that turning point happens to be in the same position as this key level. Okay, so if price is going to close above this key level, we will confirm it as a bullish move. Okay, and then if you take the buy trade, that will be your first TP. Okay, and then that's your second TP up there. But in my opinion, you can just use this also as your TP. Okay, so see how price respected those key levels. Can you see that, traders? Can you see that how price respected that region? Okay, so for someone else, they would have placed buy trades somewhere there, thinking that it's a real breakout, only to find that it is not. Price is still pulling back and taking them out. So this is the greatest secret of the market. You see that, traders? You see that price is just dropping and spiking to the lower side. So if you don't know these things, you are taken out again and again. You see that drop? So you see those profits, I can just close and then get out. Okay, so I will see you on the next video to give you some more tips on how to look at a forex chart. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to subscribe if you have not done so.